Alright, Bladrins, welcome back to a new Lightning Quick Repairs episode. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 and we're going to be replacing the back glass on it, and I am joined by Abid, once known as Abid's Reviews. Say hello. What the fuck is wrong with you? So for whatever reason, he broke his S10 and I am here for his rescue. I don't even know if it's coming across on the
Actually, no, I didn't break
camera.
it. Don't make false accusations. I know where you live. I won't have this from you.
You're in my house. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be repairing this Galaxy S10. I've got myself a new back glass. So the first thing I am going to do is turn this off. So I'm gonna heat this up using a hot air station right here. Just heating up now. Now that we've heated this up, I used my hot air station on 250 degrees, by the way. Get yourself a suction cup and then just stick that on to a place where it's not cracked. So I've got it here, and then just insert one of these metal tools right here and then just go around the phone, and then that is really smooth. And I just felt a bit of glass hit my face. There we go. So now that we've got ourselves a separation, keep heating it up.
This is steady. I'm gonna get this happen.
Cool, so that's heated up a lot more now. So, oh, look at that, that's smooth. I'm just trying to get this in frame. There we go.
Be careful around the next edge, because that's where it's really bad.
Yeah, that's fine. That's coming off really smoothly now, look at that. At least you've got a spare camera lens.
I've got two.
Yeah.
Oh, Samsung Galaxy S10 front screen replacement coming soon, guys. Because I get angry sometimes.
There you are, it's coming off really smoothly now. My table is very hot. That is very hot.
I am rather liking. Oh wow! Let's see. I've never seen inside my. Oh my god! It's the new flippy phone.
And that's that.
God.
So we don't need this anymore. We can keep that off to the side. Be careful with that.
Hot.
Now all we need to do is
Oh,
get all this. We need to get all this adhesive off. So that's gonna be very nice. So where's my tweezers at? So you can start using your tweezers and carefully just go around and taking the adhesive off.
Is really weak where it's smashed. Can you believe it?
Alright guys, so I'm finally back now and I've removed all the adhesive off of the edges and all the sides. So now what I'm just going to quickly do is I've got my microfiber cloth and I'm just going to put my finger on it, and then I'm just going to wipe down the camera just to get rid of any dirt. You can use IPA if you want as well, but that's not really going to do much. And I've got my back glass here as well, but the camera lens has come off. So now all I've got to do is I've just put on double-sided tape, so that's all good. I've already prepped it, so it's ready to go. And now we just got to peel off the white layer. So now we could just put that in place. There we are. And that isn't going to move. And now if we flip it over, we can see the old glass. That's the old glass, that's the new one. That's in line. Perfect. And I'm going to wipe this down anyways before I put this all back on, because now I've got to put on the adhesive. And just to use this as a reference, that is very gooey and disgusting. There you go, that just lays straight over that. And now,
so it peels off on both sides, right?
Yeah, but you need to take off this bit first. So if I move this out of the way, get this in frame.
Do you also suffer from lonely Mubeen syndrome? If so, subscribe to Agent Schmuck on YouTube, where you can find your top 10 meme clips and other shenanigans. Agent Schmuck, because why not?
And yeah, that's aligned.
Yay!
It looks more to the left, but you're not going to notice that. That's all perfect.
Eh?
Basically, you see that little black line there?
Yeah.
That's part of the thing, but you're not going to notice that at all. That's basically aligned perfectly fine. Cool. So now that we've got that on, I'm just going to go around with one of these tools here, and I'm just going to flatten the edges. Just so I know, and this keeps coming off, but that's not going to go anywhere anyways. Make sure you get the corners as well. The corners are more vulnerable to coming off easily, so that's all good. Give this a wipe once again. That's all clean. Let's actually do this epic peel now.
Oh, the adhesive is green.
No, it's not. It's not meant to do that. It's meant to come off with it. Huh?
Unless the adhesive is green.
No, it's meant to come off with the...
Unless...
Oh! No, I was peeling off the wrong bit. Okay, cool, because there's two bits for whatever reason. That's why, yeah, okay, I figured it out. That's cool.
Wow, I can smell the dangerous chemicals from here.
Perfect. And now, if I do that, do this, line that there.
No heat required for this.
Hold on. Now it's, no, now it's aligned, there we are. Perfect. Yep, that's perfectly aligned there. And now, alright, just use your finger to kind of run it along, especially on the top bit because there's a lot of adhesive on top. And that's all good there.
Camera isn't shifting, is it?
Camera is not shifting at all. That's perfect. And that's clean as well. And that is complete. So now if we turn on the phone. Oh, it stopped working.
No, I punched you in the face.
Yeah, that's basically it. So thank you very much for watching this back glass replacement. It turned out very successful. Abid, what do you think? You went from this to this.
Well, my phone doesn't look like a safety hazard anymore. It's looking quite nice, I have to say for myself. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Very
Anything
happy.
else?
No, that's it. Subscribe to Mubeen, Ahmed or Die, you know how it goes. And Mubeen and whatever this is, we'll see you next time. Go on, I'm not doing everything for you. Say goodbye.
Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next lightning quick repairs. I will.
It's not lightning quick, it's more like medium thunderstorm. Right, shut this down. Now!